너의 중요하다는 words. It's for you, it's all for you. 가만히 있으면 안 되는 걸까? 왜 그런 거야? I'm okay just the way I am. I'm okay with what I do. 지금이 들어도 상관없는데 이 끝이 없는 조언들 너만한 necessity. 고맙지만 고맙지 않은데 You know I don't want to know. I don't want no more, no more. I don't want to know. Gotta get up now. Gotta get up now. I don't have to know. Gotta get up now. Get up, yeah. Everybody says 너의 꿈을 찾아 Right here, right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 더디 찾으면 안 되는 걸까? 왜 그런 거야? I'm okay just the way I am. I'm okay with what I do. 지금이 들어도 상관없는데 이 끝이 없는 조언들 너만한 necessity. 고맙지만 고맙지 않은데 You know I don't want to know. I don't want no more, no more. I don't want to know. Gotta get up now. Gotta get up now. I don't have to know. Gotta get up now. Get up, yeah. I'm okay. I'm okay, just the way I am. You know I'm okay. I'm okay, just the way I am. You know
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Jiving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference? Yeah. And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more is okay. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. 말리부 가서 한 잔에 좀 마시는.
Okay, Hello everyone. So the last two streams was really bad because internet connection was quite bad. Hopefully this one's gonna be a little better. So yeah, let's dive in. I haven't continued since then, so it's gonna be the same. So let's start it. Okay, so we left off with spawning some enemies and start instantiating them. So so this is the spawner object. It's going to be out of screen, so it won't be visible. And we are going to instantiate these objects here. So let's get into the code. So last time I was thinking just starting a coroutine, so it will spawn an enemy in a spawn speed. So I got it for 1 second now, but we can modify it in the inspector. So we need to instantiate it or create it. So almost. So instantiate. We want to instantiate a game object from this array. So the easiest way to do that is create an integer what we randomly gonna generate every second, and yeah, we're randomly gonna generate from 0, 1, or 2 because we got three objects, and instantiate the one we generated in each step. So I'm gonna create an integer called generated num. I started with 0, and I'm going to randomly generate one. So equals. There's two types of random here. So we got the Unity engines and the systems one. I think I'm gonna go with the systems one. And that range, and 0 to, well, is it gonna be -1? I'm just gonna try this one. Once we've done that, we can see it in the, we can see it in Unity if we do a message. I'm just gonna use print now. So generated number. And also we don't want it to just run once, so we are going to create a loop here. Well, for now it's while through. This is going to be running. Okay, and at the start function, I'm just gonna start this coroutine. And it's gonna be this spawner. Okay, so let's see if it works. Yeah, for now we are getting only zeros and ones, so I guess it's -1, so 3. And yeah, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So now if we get this number and we go it to, so we set which object we want from the array, then we can loop through it randomly. So the objects. Here we are going to use the generated number. Okay, we are going to need a location, so transform the position and the rotation as well, so quaternion dot identity. So we are not changing anything. Okay, and going back to the same view, and yeah, we are generating these ones randomly. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Okay. I think that's it for this one now. So we want our objects to move towards our player. So to do that, I'll just quickly move this one to the script. So I'm going to create another C# script, and it's going to be enemy. Yeah, and here we are going to need a few things. So first, I'm going to need the speed. So serialize field float speed. Well, it's just a guess now, so let's say 10. And at the update, I think it's transform to translate. Yeah. We need a vector 3. So in this case, we will change the x value. So the x is going to be maybe minus speed, 0 on the y and 0 on the z. I think. Okay, so I'm just going to get the prefabs and add this spawner, not spawner. I add this enemy script to it. Yep. onto the paper as well. Okay. So in theory, it should move to any direction. Oh yeah, it does moving, just a little fast. Okay, two things. I probably got like 1000 FPS, so yeah, well, almost. Okay. So what's happening is it's doing the speed every frame, but to make it frame rate independent, we need time dot at time. So now with any frame rate, it's gonna be the same on every computer or phone, or doesn't really matter. So what it does is basically calculates the times between the two frames, and if it's 60 FPS, it's I guess 0.02 of a second, and if it's 120, then it's gonna multiply it by 0.1, so it's gonna be the same on both of it. Okay. Am I gonna slow down a little? Yeah. A little fast, but that's fine. Let's get it to 5 for now. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, these visuals are just placeholders. We are gonna create an animated one later on, but it's just better than having cubes and stuff. So that's the reason. Okay. So next up, we're gonna need we need to detect when we are colliding with each one of them. So for start, we are going to detect collisions. We are going to use box collider 2D. Right now it doesn't get the shape of it because we are using a different object to just have the visual, but our main logic is going to be on the player spawner. So I'm just gonna make it a little bigger. So I'm gonna make it a little bigger. Well, I can use the sizes as well. So 2, maybe a little more. Let's say 3. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna set it 6. Maybe 3.5. Yeah, for now it will do. We can fine tune it later on. So the question is, how are we gonna detect what's happening? For now, I think I'm gonna do it on the player script, and we can refactor it later on. No, I'm gonna create a separate one. Better keep in mind the one script should do only one thing. So collision detection. Create a script for it, and this is gonna be Well, we shouldn't collide. So I'm going to use it as a trigger. So we won't bump into each other. So these objects won't bump into each other. We're just going to detect if it went through this rectangular shape. So on trigger, enter 2D. Okay. So we're going to detect different tags. So the paper has a paper player tag. Paper player. Well, I should rename it to. I'm just gonna remove them because it's not the player, it's the opponent. So rock enemy, paper enemy. I need to be really careful because it's going to be a string. So if I don't spell it right, then we won't be able to detect it. Rock, paper, and yeah, remove. Oh, okay. So paper enemy, rock enemy, and scissors enemy. Okay. So get the tags and remove this one. Oh yeah, I'm using this one. Okay, enemy, scissors. Okay. This one. Yeah, later we're probably gonna rework it because just too many tags for sorting it out. But for now it's gonna work. So rock, paper. Okay. Yeah, so paper player and scissors player. Okay. Yeah. So we are getting the enemies tag. So for now, I just want to detect if something happens. So if other the game object tag is equals, and I'm better copying it. Oh, we cannot copy tags. Okay. I'm better spell it right. Rock enemy. Yeah, and then or. Which one is it? Oh, where is it? Or. I think that's it. Or. No. First, I'm just gonna detect that. We need to separate it out anyway. No, nothing's gonna happen. So debug log. It doesn't really matter, just write out something. So if a rock bumps into us, it should send us a message. And it doesn't, because we don't have any collider on this one. Box collider 2D. I think that's it. I don't think it should be trigger. Nope. Nope. There could be a few problems. Rock enemy. Yeah, that looks okay. Okay. Rigid body. I'm not gonna use static. Let's see. Nope. On trigger enter. I don't think that's the problem. Need to find the collision matrix. General settings. Oh no, that's just the layers, not the tags. Okay, 6.5. This is gonna move it. Yeah, it falls, so not this one. Simulate it. Okay. Trigger enter. Wait, 3. Let's try not trigger. And this one either. It's gonna look strange. No. Oh, okay. There are probably some layer issues. Or let's try that. Nope. Let's get into it. Let's see. Okay. Let's try this one. So okay, so one of them should have a rigid body 2D, which we have. And this message sent to the trigger collider and the rigid body 2D, if any. So, theory, this one should have a rigid body 2D. Going back to this one, it shouldn't. Are we still on trigger enter? On trigger enter, okay. Oh, okay. Yep, that was the problem. Looks like. So these should have rigid body 2D. I think it could be static. I'm just gonna try. I think. Yeah, it still moves and no. It should be kinematic. Okay. Kinematic and kinematic. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Let's say if it hits us, other dots. Game object. Oh no, we can't destroy it from here. What we can do is create a public function. Oh no, not on collation. Let's call it. What is this function's gonna do? Destroy game object. Yep. And destroy this game object. Yeah. Okay. So what we can do is other the get component enemy dot destroy game object. Yeah. Okay. I think. Oh, it's the other one. I think that should work. Yeah, it does. Oh, we are gonna have to rework it later on, but I think for now it's fine. Although I think we 41, so we got 25 minutes. We might be able to rework it. But first, before we continue, I think it's time to do a repository. Oh yeah, I already did. Oh yeah, I did it in the last stream. Okay. So, what have we done so far? What is this? Enemy. Spawner. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna push it to the repository once the stream ends, because I don't want to upload anything. Okay. So. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next one. How could we know which one is enabled or let's see. Okay, I might gonna rework it slightly. All I need to do is remove this component from here and add it to these ones. Collision detection. And also I'm gonna remove this component from here and add it to these ones. Box collider 2D 3.5 and 6. Yeah, fine. Okay. If I reworking the tags, this one, tag. No, it's untagged. Prefabs. Untagged. Okay. It's because I'm just thinking. What if we just do a compare tag? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So this is going to be rock. Just simply rock. Paper. Scissors. There should be another way as well. Yeah, first, let's see what kind of scripts I have on these. So I got an enemy script. If I use enums, no, not enum. Well, maybe, but not right now. No, that's not gonna work. Because in every collision, I could get those information on every collision. Okay, so not gonna be the right way. But just out of curiosity. Index. That's just public. No. Serialize sphere, then I'm gonna create get index. It's on the enemy, yeah. So this one's gonna be prefabs 0. Oh, this should be 0, 1, and 2. No, the tags are easier. So, rock player, rock, paper, scissors. We got rid of it. We don't need it. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, and on the enemy, the rock beats the scissors, so this is going to be a rock. The paper, and this is the scissors. Okay, and going back here, collision detection. If tag equals other dot game object dot tag. Else. No, Yeah. Game object dot set active false for now. Print debug log. Died. Okay. Where? Oh. Okay. Okay. So rock, scissors. Oh. This trigger. This trigger. Okay. Yeah, it does work. Okay. So it does spawn a little fast, so I would say 3 seconds for just starting. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Rock. Yep. And scissors. Yep. And rock is the paper. Yeah, it does works fine. Yeah. Okay. It does work. Not the best method, but we can rework it later on. Right now, it doesn't really matter at this point. Okay. So what I also wanted is just install some package what we are going to use, and one of them is in the machine. And the other one, I'm not sure about that yet, but we can use the new input system. And I think that's it. I don't think we need any other for this one. Or maybe, but just maybe, the 2D animation package where we can rig it, but we'll see how difficult I want to make it, because as I said before, it's just a starter project. The real one's gonna be my VR horror game. Right now I'm just testing the streaming. So yeah, that's gonna be the big project. Right now it's just a fun project what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, so to the animation, maybe. We'll see. Okay, I think that's it for this stream, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I might go into events and UI. Well, I get started with that, and yeah, I think I'm gonna start with the events and the UI. And we'll see how far we are gonna go with it. Yeah, so see you tomorrow.